Hey everyone! Looking for the best cookware for making delicious vegetable curry at home? In today's video, I'm reviewing the top 6 best smart cookers and multi-cookers perfect for USA kitchens. Whether you're a busy home cook, fitness fan, or tech lover, these powerful appliances make curry cooking faster, easier, and more flavorful. Let's dive into the best Amazon cookware picks for 2026. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other details. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest smart kitchen reviews.
Number 1 product, Cookware Electric Pressure Cooker. The Cookware Electric Pressure Cooker is one of the best cookware options for making rich and flavorful vegetable curry at home. I really like how this smart pressure cooker combines speed, convenience, and advanced cooking technology into one compact appliance. Its high-pressure cooking system helps vegetables absorb spices deeply while keeping nutrients intact, making it perfect for healthy curry recipes. This cooker features multiple cooking modes, allowing users to prepare soup, rice, curry, stew, and even steam vegetables effortlessly. The durable non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleaning, which is great for busy home cooks. I also appreciate its modern digital controls and safety features that make cooking stress-free. For tech lovers and fitness fans looking for a reliable multi-cooker for healthy vegetable curry recipes, this Cookware model delivers excellent performance, consistent flavor, and time-saving convenience in every meal.
Number 2 product, Cookware Twin Pressure Rice Cooker. The Cookware Twin Pressure Rice Cooker is an innovative cooker designed for versatility and premium cooking performance. What makes this model stand out is its twin pressure technology, allowing users to switch between pressure cooking and non-pressure cooking depending on the recipe. This feature is especially useful for preparing different styles of vegetable curry with perfect texture and flavor. I love how this cooker creates fluffy rice while also handling soups, stews, and curries effortlessly. The smart cooking presets save time and make it beginner-friendly for anyone who wants restaurant-quality meals at home. Its sleek design also fits beautifully into modern kitchens. The cooker's energy-efficient system and durable inner pot make it ideal for daily cooking. Whether you are meal prepping for fitness goals or cooking family dinners, this cooker offers reliable performance and convenience. It's definitely one of the top smart cookware choices available on Amazon right now.
Number 3 product, 10-in-1 Electric Multi-Cooker. The 10-in-1 Electric Multi-Cooker is a fantastic all-in-one appliance for anyone who loves cooking vegetable curry quickly and efficiently. I personally like how this cooker replaces several kitchen appliances while saving both counter space and cooking time. It can pressure cook, saute, steam, slow cook, and even keep food warm automatically. For curry lovers, the sauté feature is especially useful because it allows spices, onions, garlic, and vegetables to cook directly in the same pot before pressure cooking begins. This creates richer and deeper curry flavors without needing extra cookware. Its user-friendly digital controls make cooking easy for beginners and experienced cooks alike. The large capacity is perfect for families, meal prep, or hosting guests. Fitness fans will appreciate how quickly healthy meals can be prepared with minimal oil. Overall, this versatile multi-cooker delivers convenience, efficiency, and delicious results every time you cook.
Number 4 product, Cookware Micom Rice Cooker. The Cookware Micom Rice Cooker is a smart kitchen appliance that offers precision cooking for rice, vegetables, soups, and light curry dishes. I really enjoy its intelligent cooking system, which automatically adjusts temperature and cooking time for better consistency and flavor. This cooker is ideal for home cooks who want simple yet reliable cookware for everyday meals. The non-stick inner pot helps prevent sticking and makes cleanup incredibly easy. It also includes multiple cooking modes, allowing users to prepare brown rice, white rice, porridge, and vegetable-based dishes with minimal effort. One thing I appreciate most is its compact yet stylish design, making it perfect for smaller kitchens or apartments. Despite its smaller size, it still delivers excellent cooking performance and energy efficiency. For tech lovers who enjoy smart kitchen appliances and healthy cooking, the Cookware Micom Rice Cooker is a dependable option that makes preparing vegetable curry meals easier and more enjoyable.
Number 5 product, Cookware High Pressure Rice Cooker.
The Cuckoo high-pressure rice cooker is built for people who want faster cooking times and richer flavors in every meal. This high-performance cooker uses advanced pressure cooking technology to lock in moisture and enhance the taste of vegetable curry recipes. I love how quickly it cooks while still delivering soft vegetables and perfectly textured rice. Its premium build quality and modern digital controls give it a high-end feel that many tech enthusiasts will appreciate. The cooker also includes multiple smart presets for rice, soup, steaming, and slow cooking, making it highly versatile for different recipes. Another major advantage is its powerful heating system, which ensures even cooking throughout the pot. This makes it excellent for thick curries and hearty vegetable dishes. Whether you're cooking for family dinners or healthy meal prep, this pressure cooker offers reliable performance, convenience, and excellent flavor every single time.
Product number 6. Ninja 12-in-1 PossibleCooker. The Ninja 12-in-1 PossibleCooker is one of the most versatile kitchen appliances available for modern home cooks. I'm impressed by how this cooker combines multiple cooking functions into one powerful machine. It can slow cook, steam, sauté, bake, and even keep food warm, making it perfect for preparing flavorful vegetable curry dishes. One of my favorite features is its extra-large cooking capacity, which is ideal for families or meal prepping. The cooker heats evenly and allows ingredients to blend perfectly, creating rich curry flavors with minimal effort. Its durable design and easy-to-use controls make cooking simple, even for beginners. Fitness fans will appreciate how this cooker supports healthy cooking with less oil while still maintaining excellent taste and texture. Tech lovers will also enjoy its modern multifunctional design. Overall, the Ninja PossibleCooker is an outstanding cookware choice for anyone wanting convenience, versatility, and delicious homemade curry meals. Thanks for watching my top 6 best cookware for USA vegetable curry review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart kitchen product reviews. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for prices, deals, and full product details.